Imagine you're working on a data analysis project and you encounter a common problem: exporting the summary of a function in R to a LaTeX table. In this case, you're specifically looking to convert the output of the RDDensity function into a table format for a LaTeX file. You've tried different methods like model summary and capturing the output directly, but nothing seems to work as expected. Now, diving into the solution provided, the key lies in manual wrangling. To make this happen, you'll need to write a custom function to extract all the necessary information from the RDDensity object and then utilize the tiny table package to generate the LaTeX table. To start with the solution, the code provided involves loading essential libraries, creating the RDDensity object, defining a function to extract relevant summary statistics, and using tiny table to save the table output as a LaTeX file named examp.txt. This approach allows you to organize and present the information in a structured format suitable for a LaTeX document. Continuing with the solution, the LaTeX part involves defining additional commands and packages for styling and formatting the table generated by tiny table. By customizing the appearance and layout of the table, you ensure that the final output in the LaTeX file is visually appealing and easy to read. In summary, by following this approach, you can efficiently convert the output of the RDDensity function into a well-organized LaTeX table for your data analysis project. And there you have it, a practical solution to tackle the challenge of exporting function summaries in R to LaTeX tables. Now go ahead, give it a try, and feel the satisfaction of effectively presenting your analysis results. Remember, in the world of data, a well-formatted table can speak volumes. So, dive in, embrace the power of data, and let your tables do the talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more data adventures.